In this short video, we're going to show you how to log in to your new cloud desktop. Start off by pasting in the web address that Paradise will have sent you. This will take you to the Windows app download page. When you click the download button and it opens an option with open file, click the open file to download the application to your desktop or laptop. As soon as this is downloaded and you've accepted the license terms, the system will prompt you to sign in. Sign in with the username and password sent to you by Paradise. As soon as you've signed in, you'll see the Windows app welcome screens. You can press next through these, or you can press skip to miss them out. You're then presented with the cloud desktops available to you. When you click connect on the one you want, you'll be asked to enter the second username and password that Paradise have sent you. There's also a Remember Me button available to save you having to do this each time. When you press OK, that's it. You've arrived at your cloud desktop. Here you can launch applications that have been loaded, like Sage 200.